nobody because I realize I be because no one in an argument with me. I'm not depend that with Uno. You understand? Yeah. And this a stuck I am. I don't know where you stop me for. I know not stop me for. Don't stop me. Come on from a scream. Oh, sorry, here? You know the thing is this? I want to see the video. I want to see the video with the girl. If you don't want me and him to stop talk, let me see the video with the girl. Yeah. Him never did their yard Saturday night. Right? He got a party. He came me out first and asked me. I tell him, say, I don't want to come on a party. You understand? Because I don't know me, I'm not type of person like forgot. Not type of person like forgot certain party, but I didn't party now. So, good morning, mommy. Good morning, baby. So, you see one time I get the evidence, hold on, that's Takaya Garnet. Yeah, I'm a blacky person.
What are you?
No, not to me. But the system just not like it because the whole heap of screen record I go come out and everything I go come out like a styling thing.
How me I style you?
Bro, you ask about door and aisle door and them something there, big man. Them something there, when I tell you, so then something they look like a styling type of thing because at the end of the day, people are going to screen record it. You understand me? And everything just go come out bad, Jay.
Channel.
I don't know. It's true. It's a truth. You may not want to admit it, of course. It's a truth, Jay. And you know if you talk the truth when we see the truth. The man thing, then don't have to fight against we already, Jaden. So most things are what we don't need, none at all. You understand? It's just the truth.
Some can't run a joke?
No man, you can always run your joke. But remember saying a person going to be truthful to themselves, you know, always. Nobody not going to stop you from running a joke. Yeah, one Jaden, never two. But when it comes to certain things, it's just that I'm not going to take it, I'm not going to deal with it. People are going to run with it. Oh, endure one aisle. Oh, endure this. Oh, endure that. Jaden, you know see what they do, you know? You know see how then deal with me, you know?
Annie, are you, when you say that door, not good, you know, are you know? So you want to fix up things what you would do?
Oh, so you want to dwell upon it and make it be worse?
I know.
That you want to do?
If we never knew, nobody could dwell upon nothing.
Well, Annie. Other batty boy, stack a boy, I can't come out and me, hey boy, me this year, you know. Me this year, you know. I that me I tell you, you know.
Yeah,
I can't see.
Yeah, this man.
I'm blocking from out of comments. Huh? What you say?
Yeah, this man. You see that? You see that? Annie, are you? Annie, tell her, Annie.
I stuck a boy in my comments. If me I go this year, me I tell you in your face.
Annie.
Yes, is there somebody in my comments, Jay?
Annie, you see any information?
Yes, I talk to you in your face. Yeah.
You see any information we know about you or your man, or you come talk it. Any other thing I make up?
And he not give you the right for throw it in my face. But he not give you the right for come take it and
but
throw it in my
face. But you first throw it in our face.
And you dwell
upon it, but you should.
You dwell upon it.
All right. I'm be a big man and say, I'm sorry for throwing it in your face. But are you first throwing it in my face?
No, that's okay. You're not sorry. That is sarcasm right now. You give me. You're not saying sorry. You just say it because you want to say it. And that's sarcasm.
Guys,
sarcastic.
That's not sarcasm.
Sarcastic. Which one? Guys, use the word. Your word, what am I do right now? Because you know what Jaden don't mean that one shit more sorry right now. Because you just don't mean it because you like for run joke. You get me? I mean what joke I mean. But in the day,
Annie, no, I mean it, Me I tell you sorry, come I mean it.
what me bomb back comment section, no man. Me no matter.
Start what you comment them. I comment them.
Hey, me know what I talk about in the jail. Then I went because I say about the prison door because I couldn't open the door.
You see, are you first gonna say? If you never said, Annie, would I never know that? Would I never come try run through cover that? Would I never know that?
Yeah, I mean, I tell us the door good. The door good now. The door good. Me find out how to open the door. The door good.
What me never mean if say you have to go in your house and show you know. Me never want you do that, you know.
Mad me back. Yeah, take a moderator.
Annie.
Yeah, pass and gone. Jay, pass that. Drop that. We don't pass the pass. That done.
You still feel away. I mean, why you feeling away.
No, me just say me no want dwell upon certain things, Jay. That's all.
All right.
Me just don't want dwell upon certain things. I don't want certain things showing in my face. You get me? That's all. We can't talk about something else. Talk about something else, no, Jay. There's so many things we can't talk about. Talk about something else. Leave the door alone.
We can't talk about.
We want Joti girl. Make a girl come.
Which girl?
The girl where them serve evidence, I want she step out. I want she come out because she did the bright with evidence and so. So I want to see the evidence with them o'clock.
Which for the video?
Yeah.
No, some of feel like police them front. I mean alone them thing them.
I know him not eat front, I not ask Christ. Me can't tell I know he not do it.
But all the video come out, they better for you.
When I response about them video, you understand me? But if you come out big and bold and we know say I've used the girl look and the girl hungry. I want she step out. You get me? I want to see what them say the evidence, what them say them have.
You notice everybody all of us everybody just want to step out so.
And that me realize.
When I get the ball, everybody I try step out, I try mash up a local nice relationship we have going on. Your love thing.
Jaden I talk like a joke and not a joke. Remember say Jaden? Police is over there, you know, man. And the man not even go, they don't want to go up on the man page, you know. See me? And since me and the man started to deal in a relationship, you know, everybody I come out of the woods working and that me I tell you, you know. Tell a girl all promise me to dash all acid in my face, you know.
I saw woman stay. Woman no want you until them see whole heap of woman want you. So them stay.
Me can't see certain things. Jaden, how you deal with the upgrading policy?
Me not like it. Me not like it because me can't say a word. Me can't say B word.
Shoot. A whole heap of different words them say we can't say.
Like what? Say it to me here.
No. You want it?
Annie, what you do? Where do Blinga?
Look here, I be a this Blinga, this me up. Be a this Blinga, this me up. So I just diss her back. Blinga didn't like me for a long time, you know. And from the moment now, me and the man go there, she does. Yeah. Right now, she pretend like she no vex. Mama vex me, I tell you, her heart a ring.
Of course she vex.
Me not stop. Don't tell me about to stop. This is something we can talk about. Because something we are talk about on my YouTube channel.
We are talk about it?
Yeah, of course. Me go clock her.
Tell Blinga say, she nah get back the man. Blinga, your time up, Miss Blinga.
Time up.
Dirty nasty Blinga, your time up. You nah get back the man, Blinga. Look how you did have
a true thing, me I tell you. You know, sir, she did come to Jamaica for use him.
For real?
Yeah. When him did there with use him like literally, you know, like a big woman will want to look a young boy side and for she look good and try to get some views. You should come and did not try use him and promise him a bag of things.
Use him for though.
You don't understand? Say for instance, say on the internet, she want her thing to look good, say young boy I look her. You see me? Yeah.
I be a cowboy in our front for you. Because no man, no want her friend, man, don't pan her friend for you. Me as a man would lie down with Miss Blinga, you see it. Me would even pay Miss Blinga could even pay me for there with her and anything there. I true, you talk on it.
And a joking thing. And there's more to it, but me go talk over my YouTube channel. There's more to it.
Where
no
YouTube
joke.
Channel? Where YouTube channel name?
Is Life with Annie.
Life with Annie.
Yeah.
She will chat the business them over YouTube channel, you see. So
right, the
24 rows, guys, 24. So if you want to see the next one.
We're not talking no more over here, so because see them, me not get a taps, me not get nobody for way call it guys. I'm love you, so me can't, you know, we have to relax. We not catch speed, ain't nothing at all, sweetheart. So me have nothing more to over here, yeah.
Why not catch speed?
We not catch speed, them not tap scream, then just the ears are looking at my face. We are 3,000 odd people and them sit down, them and look for me.
Every tell them say, yo, send the rose them.
It passes it them. It pass already. Big up to you, babe. Me see you. It pass already. But really and truly, them not really a tap a scream or nothing at all. Them just the ears are looking at my face.
Unruly,
so me not say.
I go teach you for beg. It come like you want me teach you. Beautiful. Me have go teach you. Me have go teach. Talk no, Jaden. No. She go talk over YouTube. Me can't do that. Me she talk over YouTube. Fling something up on her. Oh Jesus. Me can't say that. Me can't say that word there. Whoa, me can't say that word there. Sorry.
In face. I look like him a put on weight. Him a put on weight. It's a rich man. Jaden a put on rich man body.
Yeah, me
Jaden
face.
put on weight, you know?
Yeah. But you want to see me thing done or so?
Jesus Christ. Sat down there, food go.
I have to say it.